outside the Israel Pavilion in Eureka Park in CES, which, as you can see, is a madhouse. And we're going to take a look at some automotive, mobility, cutting-edge startups coming from Israel, where this is the hottest of the hot.
Today, the Israeli technologies are kind of the frontier of the line for everything that's needed for this future that we're trying to create.
Awesome. Let's go take a look.
Yes. Okay, so this is Noah from the Israel Export Institute, and she's the champion that put all of this amazing thing together.
We have 22 Israeli companies over here, and I guess we have like a quarter of them that are from the world of mobility.
We do light control film. This is a film that's embedded between two pieces of glass, and it allows the gradual control of light. So what we do is we allow glass to change from transparent to various degrees of opaque. And what you could do with that is projection, so for vehicle advertising. And then the glass turns transparent.
Wow.
And it's 100% utilization of your car window. The product's already ready and it already meets automotive grade.
We are doing drive and fly, so it's a vehicle that drives on the road, vertical takeoff, open a wing, and fly as an aircraft.
It would look more like a drone or more like a plane?
So what we are doing is a vehicle, and open a big wing, so we can fly a long distance, like 300 miles.
Yeah, so our perception solution is based on deep learning, but an architecture that we developed, and where it enables us to achieve the best accuracy, like the best deep learning, but in terms of compute power, we only need like a fraction, like 5% of the compute power. This enables us to run on embedded platform and CPUs with no need for GPUs and high servers.
We are developing like a very unique chip that enables you to see in any light condition and challenging weather, but costs like a regular visible camera. It's based on about a decade of research from the Hebrew University.
To say a camera, any weather condition, and a regular cost price, it's like ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching.
So Waycare is a smart mobility solutions for traffic management centers and law enforcement agencies that utilizes in-vehicle data. So data from services like Waze or telematics services, and aggregates it and brings it together with the city's existing infrastructure for real-time view of what's going on the road.
Basically, our phone knows everything about us, and they're using that data to understand our mobility needs. So they know who is the next one to free up a free parking spot, what type of car I would like.
Absolutely. So for example, last year we got investment from Daimler, from Porsche, from Skoda. The reason is that they don't want us to help them to manufacture cars. They want us to let them understand the users even when we are outside of the car.
Actually what we do, we have a unique technology which we have patented on to expand the bandwidth and secure the in-vehicle network without changing anything on the car. Information, video or a photo is a much larger information than a canvas message, which is very low, very light. So what we are doing, we expand the bandwidth, we allow us to transfer more data, up to 3 times more data than you can transfer in a single message.